Hey family, it's your man Matt DV. This episode is going to be kind of short, but we're definitely going to eat some good food. And at the end, I'm going to give you a glimpse of a new project I'm working on. I'm not going to spill the beans all the way, but enjoy. Word is born, y'all. We here at the Newark Museum, right? Check this out. We here, right? We here. The food is looking good, man. I want some wings. That's the owner, the man himself, right there.
Thank you.
I'm gonna get the wings. You got wings in there?
We should.
Yeah, I'll take wings. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, thank you so much. What else?
Beans, mac and cheese, potato salad.
I'll get some beans and mac and cheese.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about you, young man?
Yeah. Can I get a piece of fish too? Is that possible? Just one.
Everything is possible in this country.
Anything's possible. Thank you. Look, y'all. Word is born. Oh! No, I was my mistake. Oh, they even got sweets over here. Got junk food right there, y'all. Look at this. Oh, let's get the name of these cookies here. Oh, it's from King's. The name on there is King's. What do you know? Word is born. We about to go get. Got juice over here and some agua.
Is that juice sweet, sis?
I haven't tasted.
She haven't tasted it yet, y'all, but y'all know. Y'all know if we made it sweet.
It's diabetic sweet. Let me stop. Let me stop. I'm gonna get some of this juice here. Got a double cup.
Let's see if I can do this here. Do this with one hand. We're gonna do it with one hand. Ah, there you go. Got our juice. That's King's Restaurant, y'all. King's Restaurant is actually on the list too.
That's King's, y'all. I got some fried chicken. I got macaroni and cheese. And I have some green beans there. Word is born. That looks delicious, man. I'm ready to get into it. Look, and you got the chicken right there. Word is born. Check it out. Check it out. Any of y'all know the Check It Out man from Newark, New Jersey? And I got my juice. And just in case you didn't know, this is called hot sauce. Let's cut some hot sauce into it. King's Restaurant, y'all, at the museum, the Newark Museum. That's a good piece of fish. This juice, I tasted it, and we in Newark, y'all, so y'all know what this juice is, right? Man, sweet. I'm glad this music is not copyrighted because it's kind of loud, but what I'm gonna do is take this juice here and mix some water with it. You gotta do it like this, y'all. That right there is gonna be sweet enough. That's perfect. That right there will be another whole cup of juice. It's so sweet.
Why the juice so sweet? You know we from Newark, New Jersey. Most of us got diabetes.
All right, I taste a piece of the chicken. I'm gonna go real fast before the food gets too cold. I tasted a piece of the fish. This is the chicken. All right. I like this chicken. It tastes like grandma's chicken when she used to cook it and put it in them little pans, and we would take them on a bus ride. That's how it tastes. It tastes like it's been sitting in some sternos, steaming. The batter, well, this piece of batter is crunchy. It tastes delicious, man. This is like grandma's homemade chicken.
Okay,
3, 2, 1. Who are you? What do you do? What you do?
Well, I'm Eunice, the owner of King's Family Restaurant and Catering on Clinton Avenue, 557 Clinton Avenue. We do dine-in and take out, and we do also catering on-site or outside. You know, we do a lot of services. We serve, we just do catering. You could pick it up, you could set it up, you could deliver it, anything you want. Anytime. We open 7 days a week, 365 days a year.
Thank you. There you go. You heard it from the owner, y'all. We're gonna go to his restaurant and test out the food. I just ate the chicken. It was delicious. Remind me of grandma's chicken. But we definitely need to go there in person. I also got to hang out with Kenny Bobian, multi-platinum recording artist. gospel house music, Kenny Bobian, and YouTuber Plucky from Sailing Into Freedom. What was you asking me? Do I eat?
Kebabs.
A kebab.
Yeah, like a lamb kebab.
A kebab.
What do you call them? Kebab.
A kebab. It's a kebab. We call it kebab.
Kebab.
We probably pronouncing it wrong though, right? It's from like, where is it from? Greece?
We're in the middle of nowhere.
Because they make the shish kebab with the shear, right?
Yeah.
They have. Go ahead, get it if you want it, man. All right, I had to get a sandwich, y'all, at Barron's Bagel Deli. Barron's Bagels and Deli. Oh, John, I'm going back to this place, y'all. I just like, they throw in a cookie. I didn't ask for a cookie, but they threw it in there. That's beautiful. Oh, got some fruit in there too. This is a sandwich, y'all. It was $9 for the sandwich from this Bagel Spot, man. I'm down in Brick, New Jersey. You don't know I love to eat. Ask for extra mayo. That is a lot of turkey. Y'all know it. Look, that's a lot of turkey, man. Damn. I mean, darn. Look at that. Wow. If you like a lot of meat on your sandwich, you definitely want to come to this place.